Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Fix Everythings. Today, I'll show you how to fix a very common paper jam issue on the HP LaserJet Pro M402dn and similar models. The problem is, the printer prints one sheet, then immediately pulls another sheet, and shows a paper jam error. It sounds serious, but the fix is extremely simple, and you can do it yourself, even if you're not a printer technician. The issue is not caused by the pickup roller or separation pad as many people think. The real cause comes from the paper feed clutch in tray 1 and tray 2. After a period of use, the foam pad inside the clutch wears out or disintegrates, causing the clutch to lose proper engagement. As a result, the printer pulls two sheets at once, and the sensor instantly reports a paper jam. The good news? The fix is unbelievably simple. Inside the clutch, you'll see a small foam pad that is worn out. Damage eater crumbling as alcohol to thoroughly clean the old foam remains so the surface is dry and ready for the new pad. Now, cut a small thin foam piece or a small piece of plastic. Apply double-sided tape and stick it exactly in place of the old foam pad. Personally, I use material cut from a damaged Ricoh photocopier transfer belt, which is extremely durable and lasts forever. Make sure it sits firmly, with no shifting or glue residue. Reinstall the clutch, reinstall the tray, and power the printer back on. Print 10-20 sheets continuously. If done correctly, the printer will pull one sheet at a time. No longer show paper jam errors, work smoothly just like new. This method doesn't require buying a new clutches, cheap, fast, long-lasting. Ganyan can do it at home. Pretty simple, right? If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to Tech Fix Everything's, comment below, and let me know where you're watching from. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video on Tech Fix Everything's, wishing you successful repairs and a great day ahead.